Hello students, today we will see LCM from your topic HCF and LCM. In my previous videos we had seen the HCF or how to find the GCD of the numbers. Now today we will see LCM. The long form of LCM is least common multiple. The least common multiple of the given numbers is the smallest number that is divisible by each of the given numbers. So, here they given one question in your book. We'll see that. Write the tables of the given numbers and find their LCM. One example I will tell you here. That is the first example. First of all, I will write the table of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. Okay, now I will write the table of 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63 and 7 10s are 70. So according to your question, we had seen the tables of 6 and 7. Now in that table, which number is common, that you have to see. If you will see, 42 is common in both the tables. Is there any another number which is common in these tables? No. So here the least number which is common in between the tables of 6 and 7 is 42. So the LCM of 6 and 7 is equal to 42. Okay, now you have to write the tables of 8 and 12 as well as the third question 5, 6 and 15 and write down the LCM of the given questions. Now let us learn. We will see the example from your book. Find the LCM of 60 and 48. Let us find the prime factors of each number. You can find the prime factors of 60 and 48 by using vertical arrangements, otherwise by horizontal arrangements. Now we will see the factors of 60 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, and the factors of 48 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So let us consider each prime number in these multiplications. We will see that how many times 2 occurs here, then 3 and 5. So if you will see here, 2 occurs a maximum of how many times? 4 times in the factor of 48. 3 occurs only once. Here also one time and here also one time. So maximum time it occur 1 times only. And 5 also, if you will see, then 5 also occurs only once. In 60's factors 1 time, just only. There is no 5 in the factor of 48. So we will find the LCM. Look here, how many times 2 occurs here? Maximum 4 times. So we had taken 2 multiplied by 2 4 times. Now 3 occurs 1 time and 5 also 1 time. If you will multiply these all, you will get the LCM of 60 and 48 is 240. By this method, we will see the LCM of 6 and 7. Okay. Factors of 6 are 2 multiplied by 3 and factors of 7 is, it is a prime number, so factors are 7 multiplied by 1. So here if you will see, any number is not common there. So here 2 occurs maximum 1 time only, 3 also occurs maximum 1 time only, 7 also 1 time and 1 is also 1 time. So LCM of 6 and 7 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 1. So it is equal to 42. Upside, by writing multiplication table, we had seen the LCM of 6 and 7. That was also 42. So by any method you can solve the examples, you will get the same answer. Now we will see the another example, that is find the LCM of 18, 30 and 50. Here the factors of 18 is equal to 2 multiplied by 9. Then 9 is a composite number. So again we found the factor of 9, that these are 3 multiplied by 3. 30's factors are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. And 50's factors are 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Now we will see that 2, 3 and 5 are the prime numbers that occurs in the multiplication above. Now we will see in the products above, the number 2 occurs a maximum of, how many times number 2 occurs? Maximum 1 time only. Yes. 3 occurs a maximum of, 3 you will see, then it occurs maximum of 2 times. And 5 is maximum of 2 times. So we will take these numbers as 1, 2, 1 time, 3, 2 times and 5, 2 times. So you will get the LCM of these numbers 18, 30 and 50. It is equal to 450. Do you understand this method? Now we will see the vertical arrangement method to find the LCM. Now look here. We will find the LCM of 16, 28 and 40 by vertical arrangement. Here 16, 28 and 40 is divisible by 2. So you will get the answer. 2 8s are 16, 2 14s are 28 and 2 20s are 40. Again 8, 14 and 20 is also divisible by 2. So after that you will get the answer 4, 7 and 10. Then just here if you will see, then 7 is a prime number, so we have to write it as it is. 4 is divisible by again 2. So the answer will come 2. And 10 is also divisible by 2. So you will get the answer 5. If you will see here, then here 2 occurs maximum how many times? That you have to see. So this side 3 times and here 1 time. So 2 occurs maximum 4 times. 7 and 5, these two numbers occurs maximum 1 time only. So we had taken 2 4 times multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. So you will get the answer. That answer is 560. So LCM of 16, 28 and 40 is 560. Now we'll see the another example, that is find the LCM and HCF. Means here we have to find both LCM and HCF also of 18 and 30. Compare the product of the LCM and HCF with the product of the given numbers and we will get the rule. Now see here, factors of 18 and 30 we will find. Then the factors are, here you will see, then the HCF means this size factor we are considering in HCF. So here HCF means the factors 2 multiplied by 3. So you will get the answer 6. Understand this? Now LCM means the numbers we are considering, both the numbers in vertical arrangements and horizontal also. Here if you will see, then here 2 occurs one time, maximum one time, 3 occurs maximum 2 times, and 5 occur maximum one time. So the LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So your answer is 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 90. So the LCM of these two numbers is 90. When will you multiply HCF and LCM? What will you get? We will see that product of given numbers. What is the product here of given numbers? The numbers are 18 and 30. So you will multiply 30 by 18. Then you will get the answer, that is 540. Okay. Now we found that LCM is 6 and HCF is equal to 6 and LCM is 90. If we will multiply HCF multiplied by LCM, then what will you get here? That we will see 90 multiplied by 6 or 6 multiplied by 90. So you will get the answer 540. So the product of two given numbers, whatever they will give, here the numbers are 18 and 13, and the product of HCF and LCM, it is always equal. Okay. Now look here, we will see the next point. We see that the product of two numbers equal to the product of their GCD and LCM. Now we will verify this statement for the following pairs of numbers. We will see the another examples. Example they given, that is, find the LCM and HCF of 15, 45 and 105. Here GCD or HCF of 15, 45 and 105 is 15 and LCM is 315. If we will multiply 105, 45 and 15, then what will you get? We will see 45 multiplied by 15. 15 5s are 75. Okay. 7 carried here. 15 4s are 60 plus 7, that is 67. Okay. Now next we have to multiply by 105. 5 5s are 25. 2 carried here. 5 7s are 35 plus 2 37. 3 carried here. 5 6s are 30 plus 3 33. Now unit place 0 we will write. These 3 zeros will come here. Again 2 zeros and 675 ones are 675. Okay. Now I will add this 5, 7, 8. Okay. The answer is 70,875. If we will multiply 315 by the HCF or GCD 15, what we will get, that we will see. 15 5s are 75, 7 carried. 15 1s are 15. 15 plus 7, that is 22. 2 carried. 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 2, 47. So, by this method, I explain to you that if we will take 3 numbers, then the product of these 3 numbers is not equal to the product of GCD and LCM. Do you understand? Means this rule is only for the product of 2 numbers is equal to the product of their GCD and LCM, not for the 3 numbers. This keep in mind. That's why I explain this example. Now we will see one example from the pairs of numbers which we want to verify. Okay. Now tell me the factors of 15. 15 factors are, the factors of 15 are 15 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5, and factors of 48 is equal to 2 multiplied by, or otherwise like this way you are not understanding, then find your factors. 24, then 12, then and 3 3s are 1. So here 2 is how many times? 4 times, and 3 1 time. Now here we will find the HCF or GCD. GCD is equal to, I will show it by, look here. Which number is common in between these two? 3 is common, so GCD is 3. Okay. Now here, while finding LCM, what are we doing? So here we are taking the numbers which occurs maximum time. So here 2 occurs 4 times. So we have to take 2 how many times? 4 times. Then 3 occurs how many times? 3 is there maximum 1 time, and 5 also maximum 1 time. So LCM is equal to, look, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are how much? 48 multiplied by 5. So we will do it here. 48 multiplied by 5. 5 8s are 40, 4 carried. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4, 24. So LCM of these numbers are 240. Now we'll multiply and we'll see the product of GCD and LCM. Is it equal to the product of given numbers? Now look here, the product of Given numbers. We will see the product of given numbers first. These numbers are 15 and 48. So I will multiply 48 by 15. Then which answer will you get? 15 8s are. How much is 120? So 0 is here and 12 is carried. 15 4s are. How much is 15 4s are 60. 60 plus 12, it will come 720. Okay. Now, we got the product of the two given numbers. That is 720. Now, we will find the product of HCF and LCM of these numbers. Now, the product of HCF or the GCD, that is 3, and LCM is 240. So, I will multiply 240 by 3. Then which answer will you get here? Here the answer is 720. So, you will see that the product of two given numbers and the product of the HCF and LCM of that numbers, it is always comes equal. And before that I showed you, if there are three given numbers, then the product of these two numbers will not come same. So this rule is applicable for product of two numbers only. This keep in mind. Now we'll see the example given in your book. That is, the product of two-digit number is 1280 and GCD is 4. What is their LCM? So, we know the rule, that is GCD multiplied by LCM, or you can write HCF also in place of GCD, is equal to product of given numbers. Now they given the product of given numbers is 1280 and the GCD is 4. So here 4 into LCM is equal to 1280. So LCM is equal to this side. This number is multiplied. When we will shift this number right side, then it will become divided by. So 1280 divided by 4 means the LCM of these numbers, it is 320. By using this rule, you have to solve the examples given in practice set 13. Now just we will see the use of the LCM and HCF. Here they given one example. A shop sells a 450 gram bottle of jam for 96 rupees and a bigger bottle of 600 gram for 124 rupees. Which bottle is it more profitable to buy? Now we will see. Solution. We have learned the unitary method. You know, unitary method means we are finding the value of one from many. So, using that, we can find the cost of 1 gram of jam in each bottle and we will compare it. However, the calculation is easier if we use a bigger common factor rather than a smaller one. Let us use 150, the HCF of 450 and 600 to compare. Now you can see when we will consider the numbers 450 and 600, then the factors of these numbers are 150 into 3 and 150 into 4. Here what we consider? The HCF of these numbers. Now here if in the small bottle, how much jam is there? 150 gram. We will consider of jams. Then its cost is 96 rupees. And in the large bottle, 150 gram of jams cost is how much rupees they given? 124. So here, look here. Why we divide it by 3 and this by 4? Do you understand that? Now I will show you why. 150 multiplied by 3 means 450. 150 multiplied by 4 means 600. So the cost of 450 gram jam is 96 rupees. Okay. And the cost of 600 gram jam is rupees 124. So we divide 96 by 3 and 124 by 4. So you got the answer 32 rupees and 31 rupees. Therefore, thus it is more profitable to buy which bottle of the jam? 600 gram bottle of jam. Do you understand this? Now we will see the next example. Here they given the addition of the fraction 17 upon 28 plus 11 upon 35. Method 1, in order to add, let us make the denominators of the fractions equal. Already you have studied this method in the previous standards. Now here you know it. What we are doing? For equalizing the denominator, we are multiplying first fraction by the denominator of second fraction and second fraction by the denominator of first fraction. So you will get here the answer 129 upon 140. Now next they given second method. Let us find the LCM of the numbers which are in the place of denominator. These numbers are 28 and 35 in order to add the fractions. Now if you will see here, the LCM of these two numbers is 140. So 140 here, 140 divided by 28 means you will get 5, and 140 divided by 35 then you will get 4. We want the denominator equal, so we will make the denominator 140. So here just we have to multiply 28 by 5 and 35 by 4. You will get the equal denominator. Again by this method your answer it will come same as 129 upon 140. Taking the LCM rather than multiplying the denominators made our calculations so much easier. Now we will see one more example, that is on dividing a certain number by 8, 10, 12, 14. The remainder is always 3, which is the smallest such number that we have to see. To find the multiple, let us find the LCM of the given numbers. When we will find the LCM of the numbers 8, 10, 12 and 14, you will get the LCM of these numbers is 840. To the LCM we add the remainder obtained every time. Okay. Hence LCM plus the remainder. What is the remainder here? The remainder is 3. So when we will add, you will get the answer 843. Okay. Now next they given find the LCM of the numbers 16, 20 and 80. Now here they found the LCM of the number is 80. Did you notice that here 80 is one of the given numbers and that the other numbers 16 and 20 are its divisors. Okay. So here If the greatest of the given numbers is divisible by the other numbers, then that greatest number is the LCM of the given numbers. In order to verify the above rule, examine the groups of numbers. Just we will see. We will find the LCM of 18 and 19. Now, tell me the factors of 18. By vertical method, we will see 18. It is divisible by 9. So, okay. The factors of 18 we got. Now, we will see the factors of 90. 90 is divisible by 2. So, we will get 45. Again, 45 is not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3. So, 15 3s are. Again, it is divisible by and 5 1s are. Now, we will write the factors of 90 and 18. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. And 18's factors are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now we will see that here which numbers occur how many times. Now look, maximum. 2 maximum how many times? 1 and 2. Here 3 how many times? 2 is maximum. Is it correct? 2 is maximum. How many times is there? 2 is maximum 1 time. So, we will write 2 1 time, 3 2 times and 5. So, your answer it will be 90. Do you understand that? So, the LCM of 18 and 90, it will come 90. Okay. Now, same method, you have to verify the another example. Now, next example they given, that is Shreya, Shalaka and Snail start running from the same point on a circular track at the same time and complete one lap of the track in 16 minutes. 24 minutes and 18 minutes respectively. What is the shortest period of time in which they will all reach the starting point together? Now we will see this. The number of minutes they will take to reach together will be a multiple of 16, 24 and 18. That is 144. So they will come together in 144 minutes. Or here you will see that 144 minutes is equal to 2 hours and 24 minutes. 1 hour contains 60 minutes. So 2 hours is equal to 120 minutes. Here they given 144 minutes. So 144 minus 120, 24 minutes remain. So they will come in 144 minutes. By using this explanation, you have to solve the practice set 14. Be safe at your home. Write down all the points and solve the practice set based on the above information. Till my previous video. Bye.